Welcome to caring for you and your space, where clean feels great. At Wellness TV, we believe that true wellness begins with how you care for yourself and the space around you. Your environment is more than just a backdrop. A tidy, cared-for space can bring clarity, calm, and a sense of renewal. When you take a moment to make your bed, let in fresh air, or nurture a plant, you're also nurturing your own well-being. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Simple daily rituals, like washing your face or styling your hair, are powerful acts of self-respect. These moments remind you that you are worthy of care every single day. It's natural to want to give to others, but remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. By tending to your own needs and keeping your nest in order, you create the energy and balance needed to support those you love. When you care for yourself and your space, you set a positive example. Your calm, your clarity, and your energy ripple outwards, helping you show up as your best self for others. Ready to nurture yourself and transform your space? Join the Nurturer program on wellness.tv. Discover how small acts of self-care can lead to big changes in your life and in the lives of those around you.